Hi there. Ready to explore? Elena sprinkles salt on shiny ice patches. The grains sparkle like tiny stars under the bright sun. Magic fills the air as she watches. Elena watches the ice melt quickly. The ice glistens as it turns into water. Little droplets dance and pop around her. Elena smiles as puddles form around her. She giggles at the splashes. The sun shines down, warming her cheeks. Elena discovers salt helps ice melt faster. She jumps with joy. The melted ice creates more puddles to jump in. Elena changed into her pajamas. Elena dreams of more ice experiments. She imagines colorful ice and sparkling salt. Fun ideas swirl in her happy mind. See you soon.
Thank you very much.